National Day is around the corner. How are you going to celebrate?
I'm gonna watch the parade at home with my family. How about you?
Me too. I'm going to watch it at home.
Every time I watch the parade, it makes me feel proud to be a Singaporean.
Hey, let's ask our Alphajoy friends their feelings about being a Singaporean.
Do you all know the theme for NDP 2018?
Yes, we are Singapore.
Yeah, we are Singapore.
We love Singapore.
We are Singapore.
I don't know. We are Singapore.
I don't know.
The theme for NDP 2018 is We Are Singapore. What makes you a Singaporean?
Because my parents are pink in color.
I live in Singapore for 10 years.
I love Singapore.
There are a lot of beauty.
My parents are Singaporean. My parents born in Singapore.
My passport says so.
Ivan, what do Singaporeans do with their IC?
I can book an NDP ticket.
Safran, if I'm a tourist, where would you bring me to?
I will bring you to different local places that are popular in Singapore.
Charlene, are you proud to be a Singaporean?
Yes.
Kenneth, tell me, what is one good thing of staying in a HDB flat?
Whenever any guest wants to come to my house, it will not be so troublesome.
And Fatiha, are you proud to be a Singaporean?
Yes.
Ryan, if you describe Singapore in one word, what would it be?
Harmonious.
Very good. And Eden, do you know the colour of Singapore passport?
It is red in color.
What do you wish for Singapore this year?
I wish every corner of Singapore would be clean and green.
I wish Singapore will be a disaster-free nation.
I wish Singapore will be clean.
I wish Singapore a happy birthday.
I wish Singapore can be clean and very neat. I wish Singapore will be peaceful and all united as one.
I wish Singapore will have better friendship with other countries.
Happy birthday, Singapore!